Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Thursday, July 3rd. It's about 20 to 10 in the morning, and I am on my way to the vet with Avril. Everything's okay, don't worry. Fix this. Every 6 months I have to take her in for blood work to check her kidneys and make sure that her SDMA levels are good, stable, continuing to go down like they're supposed to. And it has already been 6 months. We were there in January and we're going back again. It should be just a really quick visit because they literally just have to take blood from her and then that's it. So yeah, we're just doing that, and then I need to stop and get some vapes. I need to get gas, and depending on how tired I am, because I'm tired all the time, I might stop and pick up some brake fluid because I ordered all new brakes for my car and I need to get those done, but I need to get brake fluid. That's the only thing that I'm missing. So we're just running errands today, just kind of getting stuff done. Avril is already an anxious mess. She gets very, very anxious at the vet. Like, she's well behaved anxious, but she's like nervous anxious, you know what I mean? Tomorrow is the 4th of July. Happy birthday, America. Tomorrow I'm not sure what I'm gonna do because last night I had a really bad migraine attack, and if I don't take care of my body for a few days after I have a migraine, I get another one. So the original plan was I was gonna go drink at my mom's house and go swimming, but now we're playing that by ear because I don't know how I'm gonna feel. But why are we going 35? It is a 55-mile-per-hour road and you are going 35 miles an hour. People. I think it's been like over a week since I've uploaded last. Oh my god, I just had such a busy week. I had a meeting yesterday with my very first ever financial advisor. I feel like such an adult saying that. I have a financial advisor now. I am going to be 32 years old in August, and I don't have a job that offers any sort of like 401k or IRA or any sort of retirement planning at all. So I met with a financial advisor to kind of put me on track to hopefully retire someday, because there's no guarantee that Social Security is going to be around by the time I reach retirement age, so I'm kind of getting ahead of it now. So I had that meeting yesterday. That was very overwhelming. Like, it was a lot of information, it was a lot of decisions, and I know absolutely nothing about this kind of stuff, so I was just very overwhelmed yesterday. But so far it's looking good. Like, the money that I put in there, I should be able to retire nicely someday. Sorry, my phone keeps like sliding down. I should be able to retire someday, which is good, but it was still very overwhelming because I come from nothing. Like, I work very hard for what I have, and I'm very, very blessed for what I have. So it was good, and I'm grateful that I was able to do that, but also I'm like, I don't know what any of this means. Okay, sweetie. We're at the doctor's. We're 15 minutes early, of course, because I am chronically early to everything in my life. But we're here. We made it. It should just go real quick. We'll get it done, and then we'll go home, okay? Alright, I will take this spot right here. Don't mind if I do. Alright. Ooh, that sun is brutal. So I have to run and go get vapes because I don't know if any of my other Michigan vapors out there, hush, I don't know if any of you guys have heard this, but Breeze Pro, these vapes, this is the vape that I use, they are no longer going to be sold in Michigan. So once they sell out, they're gone. and they don't know when or if they will ever be sold in Michigan again. So I went and stocked up a few days ago, and I'm going to go back and get more because they are setting some aside for me. And I know this is like such a first world problem. Like, well, maybe this is a sign that you should quit. Like, you shouldn't be vaping anyway. It's bad for you. I totally get it. I wish I could quit, but when you quit nicotine, you have to want to quit nicotine, and I don't want to quit nicotine. So, I really don't want to go back to cigarettes. So I'm going to stock the fuck up on these guys. Did I bring my wallet? Oh, thank Christ. That was about to be bad. Thought I forgot my wallet. Hey, you. You in your car seat? Gonna get your blood drawn? What do you think? You excited? Do you love it? Are you nervous? Sweetie, you don't have to be nervous. Yeah, it's to take care of you. Yeah. And then I just have to stop at my mom's new house and help her flip a table over. She was able to put it together, but she can't like lift it and flip it over, so I'm gonna stop there too. So we have vet, vapes, house, gas, brake fluid. 5 things on the to-do list. So I really don't want to go in this early, but I also don't want to sit here. I guess I could sit here in the AC for a little longer. It's hot. It is hot. I'm gonna sit here and just scroll on my phone, and I will check in with you guys after the vet. I'm vlogging on my phone right now, and I really hope it's turning out okay because I never ever vlog on my phone unless absolutely necessary. I really only like to use my vlog camera to film, but I don't have it. So hopefully this footage is turning out okay. Alright guys, so it's now 10:30. We have left the vet. Zoom, zoom, bitch. And then I stopped at Big B, and I got myself a Runnin' Wild Berry mocktail. Oh, so good. If you guys have a Big B near you and you like Red Bull, Pink Edition Red Bull, you gotta try the Runnin' Wild Berry. It's so good. I also stopped and got some vapes, and I freaking love where I live. Like, I make friends with everybody. Like, when I go there regularly, I end up making friends with them. And the last time I was there getting vapes and I heard about the whole like vape ban, he told me that when he gets the last case, he's gonna set it aside for me. So I have a full case of vapes. It was like $180, which is a lot, but it's gonna keep me from committing murders. So I got my vapes. Now I'm heading to my mom's new house, help her really quick, and then go get some brake fluid. And I still need to get gas. I still haven't gotten gas either. Having a final destination moment. There's like a truck in front of me with like really long pipes. If you know, you know. I mean, I know it was like a truck with like wood on it, but you know, I feel like the same thing could happen with pipes. It's kind of crazy being an adult because you cannot leave the house anymore without spending hundreds of dollars. So Avril's vet appointment for her blood work, that was $125. I went and got vapes, that was $180. I went and got this mocktail, that was $8. So it's like, how much freaking money, like every time you step out of the house, you spend so much money. It's crazy. All right, it is now 12:35. I am finally back home. We secured the brake fluid. So we did everything off of my to-do list. The only thing I did not do was get gas, because every single gas station that I passed was absolutely freaking packed, because in the first time in 4 years, gas prices are at an all-time low. So everyone's getting ready to go out for the holiday weekend. So everybody and their mother is getting gas right now. And they were just packed, and that was just too much anxiety for me. So we skipped getting gas today. We'll try again in the morning. If not, we're cruising in on fumes. We're cruising in on fumes. Yeah, I think now I'm just gonna finish up some laundry and rest because I'm exhausted. But we did everything, and I'm really pissed. I left my freaking running wildberry mocktail. I left it at my mom's house, the new house. And it wasn't even like half gone either. And I just left it there. So yeah, kind of want to die. But yeah, here's what it is. Here goes $8 and I probably drank like maybe $1 of it. So cool. Love my life. Is July 5th. Today it's Saturday. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. And I just decided to come back to my mom's today to enjoy the sun and swim and hopefully get a little bit of a tan, but we'll see. So I've been here for a couple hours now. Oh, the wind. The wind feels really good. It's really hot today. It's like 90 degrees. It's really nice. I got the lake here. Water is literally like the perfect temperature. It's so nice. I was here yesterday for the 4th, but where was I going with this? Yeah, I was here all day yesterday for the 4th, and I didn't vlog anything because I got absolutely wasted. My mom ended up having to bring me home, and she dropped my car back off this morning, and then I just turned around and came right back here because I didn't want to sit inside. But hopefully we're getting a tan, and I'm drinking water today. No alcohol. I had enough of that yesterday. And I literally went home and went to bed at like 8:30 because I was so drunk. But so I didn't even see fireworks for the 4th of July. I was just passed out. So but here now, and the sun feels so good. This is like the first time all summer that I've actually been outside doing stuff. So well, I think it's safe to say I definitely got some sun. So I don't know what the heck. It must have been from when I put like sunscreen on my tattoos. Like all the parts that aren't burnt, like I have sunscreen on. I have like a burn on my leg right here, but not on this side because I only put sunscreen on my tattoos. I don't put it anywhere else. So like I got some sun. My back is nice and burnt. My stomach has like the weirdest tan line. I'm like sitting in my kitchen right now because I'm waiting for my food to get done. But like, look at this one on my stomach. Like what happened here? Like, why is it just one line of red? Like, because I didn't put any sunscreen on my stomach, but it's just like this one. I don't understand. But I came home, I fed my animals, and now I'm just making something to eat, and I'm just gonna chill the rest of the night because I am tired, I'm burnt, I can't even put my tank top on all the way. I have Mr. Kitty right here. Hi, sweetheart. How's my kitty? Yeah, how's my kitty? Yeah, hi, sweetie. And Avril. Sweetie. Oh, there's my girl. Hi, sweetie. Hi. What you doing? Do you want to watch a movie tonight? Yeah, what movie should we watch? I don't know. I'm kind of thinking a horror movie. What do you think? I'm thinking Stephen King. What do you think? Pet Sematary or Children of the Corn? Children of the Corn? You want to watch that one? Yeah? Okay. I haven't gotten her blood test results back. I probably won't get those until like early to late next week or something like that. But I will, of course, keep you guys updated on what those are. Just wanted to give you guys an update that I'm back home. It was a great day. I spent like 4 hours in the sun. That is the most amount of time I have spent outside all summer, because the only time I am outside in the sun and in the heat is if there's like a body of water that I can get into. Otherwise, I'm inside. But thankfully, my mom lives on a lake for now, so I'm just gonna take advantage of it while she's still there before she moves. But it was a good day. It was a good day.